Leacroft Lettman, I am sure sports here. Wonderful performance. One of these performances you'd want it from early in the season, but you got it late. So what pretty performance was?
Well, our team came out from the warm-up start. We could see the discipline in the boys, and we take it from the warm-up into the game. And it's so much that we use it in life. You take one thing, one change, one bad apple to spoil the bunch. And the change was we get an experienced player in, and it changed the whole perfection of the game. And it's also important that when we are going forward, we defend in numbers, we attack in numbers, we get corners in numbers, and it's all summed out. We get a penalty in the first half, and it paid dividend. And in the discipline of our play, we maintain our line and keep our shape and drive it home to the end.
Yes, Leacroft, a wonderful win. The man of the match. Tell us about your performance today.
Well, I want to tell you it's work in progress. After the last two sessions, Saturday and Sunday, we're both on the field doing some free kicks and doing some penalty shooting. And he said, Coach, the last time we got a penalty in our net game, he placed it home. In the training, it was a little bit off for him. But I said, don't worry, you're not coming off the pitch until you get it in the back of the net. And as I can tell anyone, football played before the actual game. And once you're playing it before the game, then you know on the day it's just a plus.
You seems like a genius in the game, Leacroft. You know, making that big change in the team, putting on the assistant coach to play. He have really revitalized these young man minds and give them strength to carry out what is to be done on the field.
Well, you know, the knowledge after gaining so much knowledge in your course outline, after hitting up and knowing what to do, then you sit down and watch the team, watch the performance of the player, how they organize, how they treat their teammate, and then you realize that they can't carry it home. So then you have to make an adjustment. It could be a plus. It's a plus because we get dividends from it. So it's just one of those tricks coming out of the bag. You know, when you go home as a coach, you don't sleep. You have to keep on working. When the players are home after training, then you have to dig deep and find the solution. I always tell from a start, I need to find the solution. And we get the solution. It's a maths game.
Thank you very much, Leacroft, and continue to do the best. And I hope you fit the puzzle right for next season with a bang.
All right, thanks a lot.